Hey there. So I'm working on the kind of ceiling area here again, and the goal today is to kind of get the headliner in. Let's see if I can find a good angle here. So normally we just have this, it's just metal, and like this honk, it's not really that good looking. Yeah. So what I'm doing is trying to smooth it out. I've got some leftover insulation here. Hey, check it out. Got the disco headliner going. Can you see that? Oh yeah. Pretty sweet. Now for what I think is going to be the hard part is putting the cloth on it. We'll see how this goes. Alright, so I got the wood down, you can see right here. I have like a little shelf over top of the driver's seat and passenger seat. Pretty awesome. Let me give you a little look around here. So that's looking pretty nice. I've got that shelf there. Got the headliner wrapping up now. Really cleaned up that area a bit. I need to still do the corners a bit with some fabric. And I have to put the visors on still. But for this part, I'm really happy with how that turned out. I can throw stuff up there now and like have it be flat. So yeah.